What if I told you Harley-Davidson has unleashed something that will shake the motorcycle world in 2025? A machine that blends classic Harley muscle with futuristic performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that turns heads everywhere. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a feature on the Harley-Davidson Thunderbolt that no one saw coming. This is not just another cruiser. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Thunderbolt is a bold step into the future while staying true to the raw, rebellious spirit Harley-Davidson is known for. It's aggressive, it's powerful, and it's packed with technology that takes the riding experience to a whole new level. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this is a different breed of Harley. Let's start with the design. The Thunderbolt embodies pure dominance with a stance that exudes power and speed even when standing still. The low-slung muscular frame, combined with an aerodynamically sculpted fuel tank and sharp LED lighting, gives it a futuristic yet unmistakably Harley-Davidson presence. Every curve, every detail has been carefully crafted for both performance and aesthetics. Whether finished in deep metallic black, striking red, or an electrifying blue, the Thunderbolt demands attention. The blackout exhaust and rugged, high-performance tires add to its aggressive stance, making it look ready to conquer the road ahead. But a Harley isn't just about looks, it's about power. And the Thunderbolt delivers. Beneath the sculpted exterior lies a next-generation V-twin engine refined for even greater performance. The torque hits instantly, throwing you back in the saddle with that signature Harley-Davidson rumble. The throttle response is sharp, making every twist of the wrist an adrenaline-pumping experience. Whether you're cruising long highways or taking on winding roads, the precision-tuned suspension keeps the ride smooth and stable, while the wide, high-traction tires ensure you stay in control at any speed. This bike was built to perform, and it does so effortlessly. But 2025 isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligent riding. Harley-Davidson has packed the Thunderbolt with cutting-edge technology that makes every ride smoother, safer, and more immersive. At the heart of it all is a high-resolution digital display, offering everything from speed and navigation to customizable ride modes. With just a tap, you can adjust traction control, throttle mapping, and even suspension settings, tailoring the bike to your exact riding style. And when the sun sets, the adaptive LED headlight system automatically adjusts brightness and beam angle based on road conditions, ensuring maximum visibility at all times. Connectivity is another game changer. The Thunderbolt features integrated Bluetooth and a built-in navigation system, so you can seamlessly connect your smartphone for music, calls, and real-time route guidance. The keyless ignition and advanced security system provide ease of access while keeping your ride safe when parked. Everything about this bike has been designed to enhance the rider's experience, blending tradition with state-of-the-art engineering. And now, the part you've been waiting for, the surprise feature that no one saw coming. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Thunderbolt is the first Harley cruiser to feature an all-electric assist mode. Yes, you heard that right. While it's powered by the legendary V-twin, this groundbreaking hybrid system allows for a silent electric boost at low speeds, making urban cruising smoother, quieter, and more efficient. Imagine rolling through city streets or parking lots with near-silent operation, then unleashing the full power of the V-twin when you hit the open road. It's the best of both worlds, Harley's signature muscle, with a modern twist. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Thunderbolt isn't just a motorcycle, it's a revolution. It proves that Harley-Davidson is evolving, pushing boundaries, and redefining what it means to ride. A perfect fusion of heritage and innovation, raw power and smart technology, tradition and future-forward thinking. This is the bike that sets a new standard for performance cruisers. So the question is, would you ride the Thunderbolt? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.